everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change my Instagram username before 14 days. As you know, the Instagram's policy, once you have changed your Instagram username 3 times in a row, you can't change it for another 14 days. So it's a policy, but if you want to change right away, because you might have accidentally changed an username or some sort of misconception happened, so there is a policy with which you can change your username before 14 days. So let's dive right into it. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon and go to the hamburger menu. As you know from where to change your Instagram username, let me show you again. You have to go to Account Center and go to Profiles. Then click on the profile, and here you can see an option username, and there you can change your username. And if you have already done it and Instagram is showing you can't change it within 14 days, then scroll down. Then click on Help, and there is an option you can see Report a Problem. Tap on it. Now tap on Report Problem without shaking. Now tap on Include and Continue. Here you can see Instagram is asking you to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you have to just explain what's happened to your username. So write like, "Hi there, I accidentally changed my username and want to change it back. Can you please enable it for me?" And you just have to tap on Send. Once the problem is reported to Instagram, they will contact you within a few hours. Maybe it can take 24 hours or 48, but they will surely contact with you, and they might enable your option to change your username before 14 days. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, or let us know in the comment box below. We will see you in the next video.